Hello guys. I hope you all are doing great. Like अच्छा कर रहे हो यार. I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know, but from last few days it's like I'm being completely unproductive. Like there is a basic thing, like there is a moral obligation कि our parents are spending that much on us and they are having those expectations. तो कहीं ना कहीं we like there is that moral obligation कि थोड़ी पढ़ाई तो कर ही लेता हूँ यार. Like 2 घंटे ही सही, 3 घंटे ही सही, 4 घंटे ही सही, but I'm pretty sure, I'm like pretty much sure a lot of you like may be facing the same problem which I'm doing right now. Like कि सुबह में उठा एंड थॉट के लाइक यस, आज तो ये चीज़ें आई डेफिनेटली फिनिश. एंड द डे स्टार्ट्स एंड यू आर लाइक let's say social media and then YouTube and then whatever platform you use like Netflix, Amazon Prime, anything, like you don't even realize and the day is gone. And when it's evening time या फिर सोने से पहले once again into that zone के shit dude, like I should have studied, I should have been productive थोड़ा ही सही, but I should have. And before sleeping you're like okay, from tomorrow onwards I'll be my like एकदम ही I'll be in the best version, एकदम ही फोड़ने वाला हूँ मैं. And the very next morning unintentionally it happens and you are on the same track, like messing up with your day, messing up with your productivity, losing a day, like you don't even realize. Like मैं खुद I have said कि like people who are like wasting their time are gonna lose a major opportunity, like cause last year that's what we did. Like people who studied इतना कम cut off था dude and they got their dream jobs. Once again pandemic is there, and once again there are a lot of people like me, like you, maybe you, who are like again wasting their time, and most probably cut off won't go that high, like because people like us है ना, we are not like, we do study but we just keep ourselves like ऐसे बस mediocre और sandwich के जैसे बीच में पड़ के रह जाते हैं, and we're not giving our best. And what the fuck am I saying? Like, I'm not getting it. I should have studied before my last attempt because I had time. I have the caliber, but I didn't, and like I'm literally sweating. Like ये बोलते I started sweating. And once again this year in January I decided that I'll be super productive. I'll give my best, and screw to that shit. Like I haven't yet completed my syllabus. Like I haven't even started quant, and that's the excuse I've been giving from last 4 months. And I'm pretty much sure a lot of you guys are like me. Like why the fuck we do this? I don't get it, man. Why the fuck do I do this? Like why? Like हमें भी पता है, even you know that like it's just 4 months or 6 months, and after that everything will be over. Once we have our jobs, then we have that like freedom. Like, do you want to chase other goal? Do you want to be better than this? Then you can. If you don't want, you are independent. You have created that place of your own in this society where like no matter how brilliant, how genius you are, like you need your own stand to prove that you are capable enough. But even after knowing all those like things, why the fuck do I or like people like me do this shit? Like they waste their time, and once the like that threshold is crossed and we start like making excuses like abhi tabhi kar lena chahiye tha, tabhi kar lena chahiye tha. I don't know, man, why I'm making this video, but most probably like after saying it out loud, after accepting that I am the one who is messing up, I'm the one who is going to be blamed for the like if I'm not gonna crack that, I am the one who's to be blamed for that, nothing else. Cut off high nahi hai, exam tough nahi hai, there are no competitors जिन्होंने मेहनत की, everyone made it through. So I literally want to say it out loud just so that I can know that I am the one to be blamed for every single mistake, every single failure that I'm gonna get in my life. Because even after knowing all these things, like I'm messing up, like I'm literally sweating, like you can't see that, but ऐसा बोल के भी मुझे like I'm feeling like very weird. There's a very like that feeling when bitter reality hits you. It's one of those feelings. Like I knew all these things. अभी मैं बोलने से पहले तक ये चीज़ें मेरे दिमाग में थी, but अभी saying it out loud, it felt like okay, this is a confession. I really needed it. I really needed this confession. I'm sorry if you don't want to watch it. I'm sorry if it made you feel low in any sort of way. I'm sorry, but if you're like me, just fucking you just do it. Yeah, just do it. It's just 4 months or 6 months, and after that life won't be like this. तभी ये बकचोदी करने के लिए you won't need another 6 months. Like यही तो है ना, कर लो ना यार, कर लेते ना. Like what the fuck is wrong with us? Why do we need another 6 months? Why do we need another 4 months? Why do we need another 2 months? Like why do we need exams to get postponed? Like कर लेते ना अभी, कर लेते ना. It won't need to, it doesn't need to happen ever again. सिर्फ 6 महीने. आई होप ये मेरे अंदर कुछ बदलेगा, बाकी का नहीं पता. एंड आई एम सॉरी इफ आई वेस्टेड योर टाइम, बट if I didn't, like, just fucking do that. Just fucking do that. You have the potential, I have the potential, every single guy has the potential. If he do these things on a regular basis, if he is productive on a regular basis, if he is doing that consistently, he has the potential. ऐसा कुछ भी 30 मार्का वाली चीज़ नहीं है SBIPO. SBIPO is fucking just a job. That's a B grade job. People are cracking, like UPSC people are cracking Stanford, Harvard, they are doing MITs and all from one of the best universities from all, and this is just fucking SBIPO. Like ऐसा कुछ इस job ने नहीं देना है. Like you're just gonna be a middle class guy all your life after cracking this exam. So this is just a bullshit. Like और वो भी crack नहीं कर पा रहे. What the fuck is wrong with us? Like seriously, what the fuck is wrong with us? Like what the fuck is wrong with me? I know I have the potential to do this, like in just 3 to 4 months, but like what the fuck is wrong with me? After knowing that I have the potential, after knowing that these are the dates, after knowing that this is just this is the first step. After that I have to go a long way. I don't know about you, but I have to go a long way. This is not where I want to be all my life, like serving SBI, being a PO, and like I don't want to do that. I want that because that's a very stable thing to do as a beginner, but that's not where I want to be. And after having all those dreams, I'm like just postponing this SBI thing. Like what the fuck is wrong with me? I hope I make sense. I hope I made sense to myself. And करना है man. We have to fucking do it, you know. We have to do it because we are on titans, man. Like we have to do it. I'm gonna like अभी मैं बंद करने वाला हूँ, but we have to do it. Like we have the potential, we have the caliber, and we have to do it. We have to, like, I have to crack this SBI PO 2021 no matter what. Like either way I'm still in 30s. Like I'm scoring 31, 32, 35. Like I'm not scoring above 40 in every single mock, but I have to do it. I have to crack this SBI PO 2021 no matter what. I have to do great things, and SBI PO is the first step of that ladder, and I have to get there.